Hi guys, good afternoon. So today, I am going to harvest my talbos ng kamote. Sweet potato leaves. I want to give it to my friend. So ito, meron ako dito. Yan, so I'm growing this so that I can give it to my friends. Joke. So but they are so nice. Look at that. Ang ganda ng tubo niya. So now I have to harvest it. And I want to give it to one of my good friend. So yan, so be with me as I harvest my sweet potato leaves. Oh, ito, and then ito pala yung ano ko, bougainvillea ko. Tingnan niyo, maliit lang siya. Sapat lang siya, but then they grow very nicely. Ang dami ng bulaklak niya. So tingnan natin kung ano karami yung makukuha natin. So they are very healthy. So usually I plant vegetable or I plant this and then hindi ko naman siya makain lahat. So I usually share it with other people. Sa mga kaibigan ko. Just look at that. Diba? Loving sharing. And then the more you give, the more they will be. So yan. Look at this. Ang taba-taba. Tingnan niyo, oh. Diba? So, I will give this to them. Ayan. Namumulaklak siya. Oops. Ito, tingnan niyo. Ang taba-taba. Very fat. Very healthy. So, yan. Actually, I also planted some tomato. Pero parang late na. Late ko na tinanim. So, let's just see kung makakahabol pa before mag-summer. See? It's like I'm just trimming it. Then maybe I will just ride my bike going sa bahay nila. It's not that far. I don't want to ride in the train. So, let's see. Ito mahaba siya, but wala ng ano. Wala ng end. So, yan. Lagyan ng fresh na isda. Masarap. And then kamatis. It's already very nice and healthy. Ito din, oh, ang taba. So, yan. So, ito pa, oh. So, ito lang yung space ko. Kaya, yung garden ko is dito lang, kaliit. At saka wala akong tanim at this year. Not that much. Kasi, wala lang. Tinatamad. Or kasi nagbakasyon kami and then we're going to go for another vacation. So, walang magdidilig usually. I don't want to bother my friends. So, for now, ito okay na. Ito okay na sa akin. Yan. I think I will just cut this also. But I'm not so sure. Ito pa. So, kahit maliit lang siya, nag-garden. Pero, good for one ulam na yung yung maha-harvest ko. I think that's enough for now. Yan. So, just imagine that I'll have to go to the other side to get also. Just wait a moment. I have to go here. And I also have to cut. Wait for a while. It's also just like trimming it so that they can sprout new leaves. Pero ang taba-taba. Taba-taba nila. At the moment. There you go. So, ito siyang nakuha ko sa kabila. So, let's see kung ano kadami. See? Maybe she can share this also to some of her friends. Diba? Loving is sharing. Hindi mo to mabibili sa sa market, sa Carrefour. So special to. Special with love at saka fresh na fresh pa. Yan. With matching flowers. O diba, ang dami na. She can share this to her friends. Sa mga friends ko na makakakita ng video na to, kayo na yung next. At the moment, yung isang friend ko muna. Yan. So, oopsie. Ilalagay ko siya dito. Yan. Oops, nalaglag. So, yan. So, I will give this to her. Diba ang dami na? Riding my bike to go to my friend. It's a little bit cold actually. Cold and windy. And she lives a little bit far if you're going to ride the bike. But it's a good exercise. So, let's see. I will go this way. I haven't done this before. So that's the rail of the train above. And then that is the Discovery Garden Metro Station. I have to pass 2 metro stations. So let's see. It's very windy. Good thing I found my microphone because I lost it. Oops. Oops. There's no turning back. Oh, very tiring. I think I have to walk to be sure. There you go. This is the Discovery Garden metro station. You can park, they have a parking area for the bikes, but then you can only park there for until 1 a.m. Here is very nice kasi merong track for bicycles. It is very windy. So that's the end of the track, and then the continuation is there, but I guess it's not yet done. So that is the Gardens metro station. I hope I can still walk tomorrow. On my way home. On my way home. And of course, ginabi ako. So cold and windy. I have to go home.